Everybody is looking for a quick fix to that annoying critical_process_died error. Let's dive in. First, boot into safe mode. Restart your computer and press the key for advanced boot options. Find troubleshoot, then advanced options, then startup settings. Restart and choose safe mode. Next, run the system file checker. Open command prompt as an admin and type sfc/scanow. Let it work its magic and restart. Now check for disk errors. Open command prompt again, type chhksk per f/r and restart your computer to scan and repair. If the issue started recently, try a system restore. Go to troubleshoot, then advanced options and select system restore. Pick a restore point before the trouble began. Got driver issues? In safe mode, head to device manager. Roll back or update any drivers with yellow triangles. Lastly, scan for malware using your antivirus or Windows security. Still stuck? Check Windows logs for clues or consider a Windows repair or clean install. Like and share for more quick fixes. Stay tuned and stay safe.